Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good day, students. Our today's topic is transformation meaning base. Let us study rules of transforming affirmative into negative. Rule number 1. Sentences with only alone changes into none but nothing but not more than not less than. Example: affirmative: a brave man alone can do this. Negative: none but a brave man can do this. Affirmative: I need a book only. Negative: I need nothing but a book. Affirmative: I need 10 taka only. Negative: I don't need more than 10 taka. Rule number 2. Must, have to, can turns into cannot but. Examples: affirmative: you have to drink clean water. Negative: you cannot but drink clean water. Rule number 3. And both becomes not only but also. Example: affirmative: he ate eggs and vegetables. Negative: he ate not only eggs but also vegetables. Rule number 4. Every becomes there is no but. There is no but. Okay. Example: affirmative: every mother loves her child. Negative: there is no mother but loves her child. There is a note: in case of everybody, an affirmative sentence can also be changed into negative using nobody and opposite of verb or adjective. Example: affirmative: everybody likes flower. Negative: nobody dislikes flowers. Rule number 5. Always in affirmative becomes never plus opposite word in negative statements. Example: affirmative: I am always against of smoking. Negative: I am never in favor of smoking. Rule number 6. Universal truths are changed into interrogative negative sentences. Example: affirmative: knowledge is power. Negative: isn't knowledge power? Rule number 7. Many affirmative can be changed into negative by using negative words not and opposite words of the verb. Example: affirmative: I missed the train. Negative: I could not catch the train. Rule number 8. Sometimes in affirmative becomes not always in negative. Example: affirmative: the poor are sometimes happy. Negative: the poor are not always happy. Rule number 9. Many becomes not a few. Example: negative: I don't have many dolls. Affirmative: I have a few dolls. Rule number 10. To in affirmative becomes so that plus cannot plus verb. Example: affirmative: he is too weak to walk. Negative. He is so weak that he could not walk. Okay. Rule number 11. As soon as in affirmative becomes no sooner had than in negative. Example. Affirmative. As soon as he came, the student stood up. Negative. No sooner had he came than the students stood up. Rule number 12. As plus adjective plus as in affirmative becomes not less plus adjective than in negative sentence. Example. Affirmative. Rohim is as good as Karim. Negative. Rohim is not less good than Karim. Okay, now it turns to now it is time to affirmative assertive to interrogative sentence. Okay, rule number 1. If the sentence is in the affirmative, you have to change it into negative interrogative. If it is in negative, then you have to change it into bare interrogative. Example. Assertive. He was very gentle. Interrogative. Wasn't he very gentle? Affirmative. He is not a good person. Interrogative. Is he a good person? Rule number 2. No auxiliary verb in sentence. Change it by using do, does, did, or don't, does, didn't. I mean to do verb. Example. He plays football. Interrogative. Does he play football? Rule number 3. Never is replaced by ever. Example. I never drink tea. Interrogative. Do I ever drink tea? Rule number 4. Everybody, everyone, all, replaced by who plus don't, doesn't, didn't. Example. Everybody wishes to be happy. Interrogative. Who doesn't wish to be happy? Rule number 5. Every plus noun replaced by is there any plus noun plus who, don't, doesn't, didn't. Example. Every man wishes to be happy. Interrogative. Is there any man who doesn't wish to be happy? Rule number 6. Nobody, no one, none, replaced by who. Assertive. Nobody could count my love for you. Interrogative. Who could ever count my love for you? Rule number 7. There is no replaced by there is any who, person, what, thing. Example. There is no use of this law. Interrogative. What is the use of this law? Assertive sentence. There is no man happier than Jamil. Interrogative sentence. Who is happier than Jamil? Rule number 8. It is no replaced by is there any or why. Example. It is no use of taking unfair means in the exam. Interrogative. Why take unfair means in the exam, or is there any use of taking unfair means in the exam? Rule number 9. It doesn't matter replaced by what though oblique does it matter. Let interpret it by examples. Assertive sentence. It does not matter if you fail in the exam. Interrogative. What though if you fail in the exam? Okay. Exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence. Rule number 1. Subject and verb of exclamatory sentence are to be used as the subject, and verb of assertive sentence at the outset of the sentence. How oblique what replaced by very before adjective and great before noun. Example. How fortunate you are. Assertive. You are very fortunate. Rule number 2. Sometimes the subject and verb may be eclipsed. Example. What a beautiful scenery. Assertive sentence. It is a beautiful scenery. What a pity. Assertive. It is a great pity. Rule number 3. Hurrah oblique bravo replaced by we rejoice that, or it is a matter of joy that. Example. Hurrah, we have won the game. Assertive sentence. It is a matter of joy that we have won the game. Rule number 4. Alas replaced by I oblique we mourn that oblique it is a matter of sorrow or grief that. Example. Alas, he has failed. Assertive sentence. We mourn that he has failed. Rule number 5. Had oblique where oblique is oblique would that at the outset replaced by I wish plus subject again plus where oblique had plus rest part. Example. Had I the wings of a bird. Assertive sentence. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Were I a bird. I wish I were a bird. If I were young again. Assertive. I wish I were young again. Would that I could be a child. Third is I wish I could be a child. Okay. Imperative to assertive. Add subject should plus should in doing assertive. Example, do the work. Assertive, you should do the work. Rule number 2, please kindly replaced by you are requested to. Example, please help me. Assertive sentence, you are requested to help me. Rule number 3, do not replaced by you should not. Example, do not run in the sun. Assertive, you should not run in the sun. Rule number 4, never replaced by you should never. Example, never tell a lie. Assertive sentence, you should never tell a lie. Rule number 5, let us replaced by we should. Example, let us go out for a walk. Assertive, we should go out for a walk. Okay. Rule number 6, let plus noun oblique pronoun replaced by subject plus might. Example, let him play football. Assertive, he might play football. Okay boys, now change of degree. Rule number 1, if the superlative degree says about the best thing, then the rule is for comparative use subject plus verb plus adjective oblique adverb comparative form plus then any other plus rest part. For positive use no other plus rest part after superlative degree plus verb plus so oblique as plus positive form of adjective or adverb plus as plus subject. Example, superlative, Shuman is the tallest boy in the class. Comparative, Shuman is taller than any other boy in the class. Positive, no other boy in the class is as tall as Shuman. Rule number 2, if in superlative degree one of the is transformed in this way, comparative subject plus verb plus comparative form plus then most other plus rest part. Positive, very few plus rest part after superlative degree plus verb plus so oblique as plus positive form of adjective or adverb plus s plus subject. Example: Nazrul was one of the greatest poets in Bangladesh. Comparative: Nazrul was greater than most other poets in Bangladesh. Positive: very few poets in Bangladesh were so great as Nazrul. Here is a note: superlative use of all oblique of any. Comparative you need to use then all other oblique then any other. Positive it does not exist. Example: superlative: Mr. Khan is the oldest of all men in the village. Comparative: Mr. Khan is older than all other men in the village. Positive: no other man is as old as Mr. Khan. Rule number 3. Simple comparative is transformed into positive by using not so plus adjective or adverb plus s oblique so plus adjective or adverb plus s if negative. Second noun or pronoun is used first. Example: comparative: Reena is wiser than Meena. Positive: Meena is not so wise as Reena. Comparative: Meena is not wiser than Reena. Okay. Positive: Reena is as wise as Meena. Rule number 4. Not oblique not less than is transformed into positive by using as plus adjective oblique adverb plus as. Example: Karim is not less meritorious than Shuman. Positive: Karim is so meritorious as Shuman. That's all for today. Thank you to all.